At the gas station or this?
This.
Are you gonna self-park or down?
I'm gonna drop you in the luggage off, and then I gotta go self-park. So you guys.
So it isn't raining very much, but it's very windy. Taylor. So we're at the hotel. There's like beach balls on the bed and posters on the wall. And this is the view.
$5 o'clock around the subway for a
It's gonna be awful out there.
Oh, wait, let's just get all our stuff on and see if we want to.
So there wasn't that much food at the downstairs area right now because it's just like snacks or whatever. So we're gonna go downtown Disney and try to get something to eat. I'm wearing a nice little rain poncho because I'm trash anyway, so I look like literal trash. So we're leaving right now. Unknown. 2 small trash cans. This is funny. So we're gonna go eat at this ESPN thing. I'm soaking wet. I think I may die, but that's okay. That's okay. So we have to wait like 15 minutes to order food, and we're just gonna go around and play some games. Oh my god. Look at this, boss. Look at this. Look at this. I got it. We're bowling. Dude, what?
I record her failing.
I'm not failing.
She's failing. I repeat, failing.
Me.
Putting yours maybe by mistake.
Our table is ready. Food. Bro, this is a bathroom stall. What the heck?
Can you try it now?
So we ate our food and it was really good. Now we're gonna go downstairs and there's a flash flood warning, which is wonderful, but we're gonna go outside anyway. Okay, look under my poncho. This is crazy. Look at this. Okay, so our decision is made and we're gonna go to Disneyland in the rain. So we're going to Disneyland. Woo! Okay, I really want to show you guys what's happening, but I can't get my phone wet, but I'm gonna try right now. Alright, wow. This is like, oh, it's like actually a flood, Kay. We're freaking crazy. So you can see everybody walking out, but we're just gonna go in.
Are you just starting now?
So we made it to Disneyland. They let us inside. Biggest storm of the season. Yeah, I'm soaking wet. My pants are wet. Everything's wet, but I'll see y'all later.
It's so heavy. It's wet.
Yo, everybody here looks like they part of the KKK. Everybody. I'm sacrificing so much of myself for this video. My soul. So this is the castle.
Nothing else.
There's like no lines. I haven't been to Disney in like 7 years and I'm so excited. This is sad, yo. Y'all can only see my eyes and my teeth because I'm like really black, but that's okay. Okay, in that time that I was talking to them, getting on like right now, that was like literally a 2-second wait. Hell no. Oh no, I'm actually screaming right now. I'm actually screaming. Oh no.
Red.
I have no idea why that scared me. No idea. No. Damn. Okay, so apparently they're closing Disney at 10 o'clock, but we're gonna try to go to Space Mountain because like the weather, whatever's crazy. So.
Space Mountain.
update, I just realized it's only like 6:30, so we have a long time. We're gonna go on some rides, and I'll catch you guys later. Maybe get some footage on a ride or something.
My surge secret weapon.
So it's only 7 and we already went on like 5 rides. Alright, so we're leaving Disney now. It's like 8:45. We did basically all the rides. 8:19, I mean. And we have reservations at 10, so we're gonna go back to the hotel and get ready for dinner. We're gonna stop at the candy store first. Yeah. So we're walking back to our hotel. We got our candy. I'm like completely soaking wet. And we have reservations at the Rainforest Cafe. Taylor, are you excited?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. We're back inside. Oh, look at this view. Look what they left for us in our hotel room. Me too. Oh, and they left us. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Okay. So I gotta take a shower and change, and then we go to dinner, and it's lit. So I'm done with the shower, and now I'm gonna go like binge on those Rice Krispie treats over there. Like, I can see them. I ate so many sweets. I ate like a cake pop and half of Minnie ears or Mickey ears or whatever. And then.
Are you hungry?
Boy, well yeah, I'm hungry, but like I ate a lot. I'm not hungry. I can eat. I can always eat, you know.
It was crazy. Were you out there earlier?
Gotta get a photo. So we just finished, and I ate so much again. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna go to the gym tonight though too. And so we're gonna shop now. We're back at the hotel. They gave me a room key. It literally says Natty on it. But we realized that the arcade and the gym is open 24 hours. So guess who's gonna be in the gym all night? Gotta get that work in, summer body. By the way, it is 12 a.m. right now, and we're just going to the gym. And yeah, gotta get that work in. Ooh.
Can you demonstrate this?
Oh, yeah, sure, yeah, I don't know. The treadmill has a TV. We're at the arcade now. I just worked out, so I look so ugly, but like, we're at the arcade and it's about like 12:30. Let's see.
I can't wear anything.
I low-key really want one of these, y'all.
Oh, it poked it! No! I'm gonna break the.
Alright, so we couldn't really find anything else to do, so we're basically just exploring the hotel, and then we're gonna go to bed. Right now I'm in the gym, and I'm gonna edit. So yeah, that's basically it for tonight. Catch us tomorrow though for some more interesting stuff. Bye!